Next, we're going to cut the circles in the center of the piece. So we want to go back up to Toolpath. And again, we're going to be doing pockets. We'll select both the circles and hit the check mark. Again, we'll be using the pocket. We'll just check to make sure that we still got the 1/4 inch bit that we wanted. We can skip the stock setup because it's already been done. Make sure the pocket is still checked. Go to cut parameters. We're going to leave that the same. On the roughing, we're going to go to true spiral because we're cutting round holes. Entry motion should be the same. Finishing should be the same. Lead in and lead out. Cut depths, we're going to use the same. Linking parameters. The only one we need to change will be the bottom one because we don't want to go all the way through the piece. We're going to go 0.75. Oh, no, 0.25, I'm sorry. And hit the check mark. Again, it shows up with a dirty operation in the configuration manager. We come up, hit that, lets it reconfigure the cut. Now we can go straight to the verification and hit play. Okay, that looks pretty good. We're just going to go back to the configuration manager, go back to Toolpath 1, re-verify with both toolpaths. Okay, so that pretty much looks like exactly what I was looking for. So now we're ready to write our code. Back over in the configuration manager, go to G1, open it up, and it says we got a associative checking is off. Okay, you want to make sure that ASC is checked, NC files is checked, and edit is checked. Okay, if NCI is checked, you're going to uncheck that and leave it the way it is, and hit your check mark. Okay, it's going to ask you where you want to save this. Okay, I would save it to your M folder here. And where is it? I'm just going to rename it because I got one saved already. Your code expert will come up and it will write your code. Now, when you get up to the machine, when you go to run the code, you're going to get an error message. And you're going to have to take out this line number 10. But it'll tell you which one's in error. This M6 is for a function that we don't have on our machine. Okay, so don't panic when you get up there and it tells you got to remove something. Okay, so at this point you want to make sure it's saved. I would save it in a couple of spots. So I'm going to put it on my desktop too. And you should be ready to go from there.